Alright, just received this steam cleaner for review. Coming on here to unbox it for you guys and then show you how it works. Alright, so first of all, it comes with a cleaning cloth. Here are the user manuals. Also comes with this mop kind of thing. And then 2 mitts. Okay, and this bag is full of all the attachments it comes with. So we've got this one, this one, this one, these little brushes. The bristles are pretty hard, gotta say. And then we got this one, some more brushes, and then we've got these little, I don't know what these are, but these, it's like cloth material, 2 of them, another brush, and then this one, and then we got some rubber band attachments. Okay, it also comes with this big brush, and then it also comes with these tubes and another kind of brush, as well as a little measuring cup and a filter. And then last but not least, we have the actual steamer. Here is the on-off button. It does have wheels under it, so it's easily rolled around. And then this is the actual steamer part. And it has a really long cord to connect to a power source. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to put water in the machine. So 1 full cup is ½ liter, so we're gonna go off that. Okay, so we have the water in there. This should give us about 35 minutes of steam time. So I'm going to be cleaning our window, and I decided to use this one, which is kind of like a window cleaner. And then basically I had to put 2 attachments onto it just to get it to connect. All right, so it has the blue light on. And then I just have to press this so that the lock is off. Okay, and now I'm just waiting for an orange light to turn on. That means it's ready to steam. So the blue light went away, and we're going to test this out. Okay, do you guys see the steam? And yes, there is a little bit of water residue, but I think it's just the steam like turning back into water. So interesting. Alright, that was pretty cool. Let's try out a different attachment. Okay, now we are outside by the car, and I'm just going to try and steam clean the car. I'm not sure if you guys can see the steam, but there's clear steam going on. And this part of the car is now cleaned. So that's really cool. So anyway, guys, definitely recommend this device. This is just great if you need to steam clean something. It has so many attachments. You can do so many things with this. I just did my window and my car, and yeah, definitely recommend this. You should for sure go get yours.